This is the Sony ZV-E10 II, a camera made for people who want to shoot YouTube videos, vlogs, reels, and content that looks way better than your phone. It's small, smart, and packed with cool upgrades, but is it still worth your money? Let's talk. What stands out? Let's start with what really works. The ZV-E10 II is still a small and lightweight camera, but it packs some serious upgrades over the original. You now get a 26 megapixel sensor, the same one found in A6700 and FX30. It handles 4K up to 60p, oversampled from 5.6K, with good detail and dynamic range. 10-bit 4:2:2 video is a huge step up. Now you get a better looking video with more color detail. You can shoot flat profiles for editing later or use built-in filters to get that cool cinematic look straight out of the camera. The 3-capsule directional mic actually works. It is smart enough to adjust pickup based on where you are in frame. And you still get that port for external mic and headphone monitoring. Battery life is solid. Sony moved to a bigger NP FZ100 battery, which gets you around 130 minutes of real-world vlog shooting. And that is huge. And autofocus, it's a Sony. So eye tracking, face detection, product showcase mode, it's all there. And everything is fast. Also nice is the CineVlog mode with a widescreen 2.35:1 black bars straight out of the camera. Great for shots and reels. Now what could have been better? This isn't a perfect camera and there are a few trade-offs you should know before buying. First of all, it still has no in-body stabilization. You only get digital stabilization, which crops your frame by 1.33x, and even then, it is not super smooth. Walking shot is equal to gimbal still required. No mechanical shutters is another thing. It is electronic, which is fine for video but limits flash photography, though it will still work for your thumbnails. The rear dial is still average. If you are used to older Sony bodies, the dial hasn't improved much. It's still awkward to use, especially if you are shooting stills. The LCD is also underwhelming and is fully articulating, but the resolution is just okay and feels dated compared to the others in the price point. So who should actually buy the ZV-E10 II? If you are a solo creator, beginner filmmaker, or even a YouTube Shorts or a Reels first vlogger, this is a fantastic upgrade. You get real color grading options, strong audio, and great autofocus. All that in this compact package. It is an excellent webcam too. If you are a live streamer or someone who loves to create on your desk, you will love the plug and play USB Type-C on it. But if you are serious about stills, want dual dials, high-end pro features, you are better off with a A6700 or an FX30 if you can stretch that budget. The Sony ZV-E10 II isn't for everyone, but if you are focused on video content, portability, it punches way above its size. Compact, creator-focused, and much more smarter than it looks. This could be your first serious content camera. So we'll catch you in the next one.